សួស្តីអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសូមស្វាគមន៍មកកាន់ YouTube channel Dara Yen. Hello everybody. My name is Dara. សួស្តីទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំឈ្មោះ Dara. សុខសប្បាយទាំងអស់គ្នាខ្ញុំសង្ឃឹមថាអ្នកទាំងអស់គ្នាសុខសប្បាយ Today I'm very happy and delighted to see some of the comments on my YouTube channel that some of you would like to learn more how to say you in Khmer. Y-O-U. How do you say that in Khmer? Well, I think in my previous videos I already talked a little bit about how to use yous already, but I think this time I will try my best to explain and help you learn the word you again. So this is a one single video that I will explain the whole ways of using you in Khmer. Before going to that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it and like it, okay? Because next time if you like or subscribe it, you will receive a notification when I have new video to post in my channel. Okay, let's get started with this. In this culture there are different ways of addressing people, it depending on their status, ranking, their age. So the ways of addressing people is several ways to do that. Okay, so sometimes in this culture you address someone, strangers, as your uncle or your aunt. It depends how old they are, and if they are younger than your parents, if they are older than your parents, and different ways of addressing them. Okay, and now let's get started with the straight translation for the word you. The word you in Khmer is net. Net. N-E-K. That is my phonetic. Okay, N-E-K. My phonetic. N-E-K. Net. And the K is silence in this language. And usually like the final letter is silence. You don't pronounce the silent letter not like in English. In English, you pronounce the ending word or the ending letter, but in this language, no. Silence. Okay. So the first translation for you is net and ek, net. Also, you can translate the second meaning is own. You can address someone you as own when they are younger than us. You say own. And if he or she is older than us, we say bong. Bong. It is also very common in this country or in this language. You can address someone own or bong, and then after that you can put a name of that person. For example, my name is Dara. A lot of people address me bong, and then they put my name Dara. They use my first name. So bong Dara, bong Michael, bong Peter, something like that. Okay, so that's how to use you. That with people that we know, that we work with. Net, bong, own. So own is very famous. If you go to a restaurant in this country and you address a waiter or waitress as own. Okay, instead saying a waiter or waitress, we say own. Own money mean please come here. You come here. Own money. Okay, so this is the three ways that the translation from the word you. What else do you use you in different meaning? You say you to a monk is not net, not bong, or not own. we say ព្រះតេជគុណ ព្រះតេជគុណ ព្រះអង្គ in yeah, the word you ព្រះតេជគុណ or ព្រះអង្គ okay, so the word you so that's when you use with the monk. I assume that you are not going to use it with the king, because we have different word also, the word you to the king, okay, but I think I skip this one, because I don't think that we are going to meet the king sometime soon in the future. Okay, so this is a short video, guys. I hope you will learn it and you will understand how to use in Khmer. Okay, hope you have a great day, and see you with my next videos. Remember, I have many videos now every day, so keep watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much, guys. Have a good day.